This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Robin Aggers. Are you looking for a large maintenance-free living space in West Knoxville? This may be your new home. 2-story basement brick condo with cathedral ceilings and open floor plan with lots of natural lighting. The kitchen is a chef's dream. There are lots of cabinets, beautiful granite countertops. The large pantry holds all your kitchen tools and food. The breakfast bar wraps around and sits 4. The kitchen opens up to the formal dining room and the living area. The all-season sunroom is off the living room where you can enjoy morning readings and afternoon sunsets. The second level has 2 full bedrooms and an office area that overlooks the vaulted living room. The Jack and Jill style bathroom has separate vanities and full shower, tub combination. The basement is partial finished. As you walk downstairs into the walkout basement, there is plenty of storage with built-in bookshelves, and the 4th bedroom and full bathroom is located downstairs. And there is still time to finish out the open areas of the basement with your finishing touches. Walk outside to your covered patio for those wonderful afternoons for barbecuing and a quiet country feeling with open green space. The home is located close to schools, shopping and medical facility. Don't wait, make your appointment today. Easy to show. For more information, review the details below or contact Robin Aggers at 865-966-1111.